I want to go to the park so bad, but there's having a hailstorm. Look how big the fucking ice is. I've never seen this before. This is all hail. We just had a whole bunch of it coming down like crazy. Look at it all. I picked up bigger pieces around here too. That's all hail. Looks like snow. Or ice. It's ice, but it looks like snow. Meaning, like, if it snowed and the rain's coming down, and that's what it looks like. What other pieces we saw here? It's all right there too. Oh, it's cold. I came out here too. Outside, it was so cold. The wind and everything was so freezing cold. The rain was like as if you were taking a really cold shower. Oh my gosh, look at it all. We're gonna grab this piece right here. Look at this. That's my hand for reference. And it's such a weird shape too. Okay, I'm going back in. I would have went to the park. I wasn't thinking there's probably a bunch of it on the soccer field too. So it's going up here too. Oh, it might be coming down worse. Okay.